to everyone. In this video I'm going to say one more program to find the sum of two numbers. Okay, so let us see the program first. Program starts with hash include ivostream.h. Okay, next int main brackets start int I equals to 4, j equals to 6, k equals to 0, semicolon. So k is equals to I plus j, C out the sum of two numbers is quotations n and more two left angular braces and k semicolon and the function. Okay, this is the program. So if you check this program again, we are seeing here the header file which is used to access the C out, means output operator, using this assignment operator. That means whatever the sentence written after this angular braces and within the quotations, that will be displayed on the screen, and this k value, what here the k value will come, that you can see on the screen along with this message. Okay, so first this header file, next coming to int main. This is a function and this is the data type. Data type is nothing but which type of, sorry, return 0 I forgot. Main is a function. Okay, function is nothing but a group of instructions given to computer, and which type of instructions are given is specified by this data type, function type. That means, say for example, we'll say she is very beautiful, means that lady is beautiful, it's an adverb. In that sense, how we are taking beautiful, in the same sense we'll get this main int main. Main is of type int, understood? In that way we'll take. So flower brackets start. See why we are using these brackets means we'll write not only one statement within the function, you can write more than one statement. So how many steps this line of codes must be compiled based on the open and closed braces, you can understand. Okay, so the first one coming to after the flower bracket, the first statement is nothing but the assignment of the values to the variables. Variables are nothing but I, j, k, and you can use any of the alphabets in those places. Okay, but we are assigning some value, constant value for them. Those can be changed for I, j, k and so on, whether whatever the alphabet letters are taken by you, for them you can change the values. Okay, that's why we call these as variables. And this also, what it specifies, what is the type of data, this data is which type, that is given by int and whatever the data type specified here. Next statement what I gave, equation, it is an equation. So k equals to I plus j, that means here we are adding the two values given for I and j, and it is assigned to the value k which is having 0 value in it. Next, after this what happens, C out less than means angular braces, assignment operator, actually assignment operator, this assigns C out. For C out statement, this sends this message and the output this. Okay, and this return 0 is nothing but for every function, for every function there must be some returning value. Okay, like what nowadays for marriages, for everything, where any birthdays festivals, if you go to any other's home, they'll give some gift to us while coming out from their house. Like that, here for functions we must return any value, that is 0, understood? Like this, the program is understood by the system, and then it process the everything what we discussed now, and you will get the output. How we'll get the output is, output of it is given by the sum of two numbers is, okay, 4 plus 6, what you will get? 10. Okay, this is the output. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Okay.